denim faded, but I rock it like a baby in a coat. I put the water in the ocean in the city that I'm from.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name's Aïssa and I'm really glad you clicked on this video. So today I'm bringing you guys a monthly vlog or days in my life vlog. So basically I wanted to start off this vlog and just bring you guys on a few things I'm doing this month since it's a festive month. But yeah, basically that's all we're gonna be doing in this vlog. But before we get into the vlog, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below, because on this channel there's hair videos, makeup videos, fashion videos, and lifestyle videos. So definitely stick around after this video to watch those. But yeah, without further ado, let's get right into it. So basically today is December 19th and I'm about to go to the dollar store just to get a few things like for presents and stuff like that. So I'm gonna take you guys with me. Yeah, I'm just getting some gift wraps, stuff like that, you know, easy stuff. And yeah, so let's go to the store. Hey guys, so today is December 21st and it's Thursday and I'm about to put up the Christmas tree. I know it's really late, but better late than never. And yeah, I'm just gonna try and get a few videos so you guys can see me. But yeah, I've been having technical difficulties, so that's why we're doing it now. So bear with me, but yeah, it should be fun.
Shawty get thrown off in my bed. Shawty get thrown off of that head. Shawty get thrown off in that red. Shawty get thrown off in my bed. Shawty get thrown off in that red. Shawty get thrown off in that bed. Shawty get, no I'm feeling right. I need a little bit of that spice. You know I'm finna go all night. Yeah, you know. Shawty get thrown off in my high. Yeah, shawty get thrown off in my bed. Shawty get me thrown off in that red. Shawty get me thrown off.
Hey guys, so we came to see the lights today and it's so pretty.
I know you want me. Every day not only when you're lonely, yeah. You see you think you know me, but you don't even know nothing about me, yeah. You see my thick eyes, lost when you look into my brown eyes. You see my little eyes can make you switch sides. You never know the devil in a disguise, so why don't you stand up, baby, and tell me, do you want me on top? So let me show you, I don't need to back it up. Don't wanna hold you more, just go, just split you in half with my heart. I just wanna love on you, trust in you, honor you, please do the same on your part. Be honest, you want it. I can be heartless, regardless of my conscience. Be honest, you want it. I can be heartless, regardless of my conscience. Take time, you know, say around whenever I see bad mind. Before you come my way, make sure you think twice. Look into my eyes, but I can never see eyes. I can point it up, but you know I could never lie. Come through, I can show you something you can run to. When I'm finished, you'll be feeling brand new. Will never be somebody you can run through. And I can put that in my life one time. No care, big five, so bad. Catch feels, get high. If you make it better, then you can lie. Just be so much my time. Be honest, you want it. I can be honest, regardless of my conscience. Be honest, you want it. I can be honest, regardless of my conscience. You put it out your majesty. Love the way your body twisting. Make me lose control of this thing, and it's all because I'm thinking of us.
Step out, yes, I'm in now. Let your edge out. Toss some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now. Got me one out. You so, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mindset. I should've given from losing yesterday. I worry that I wasted the best of me. Oh, yeah, baby, you don't care. Not gonna be a nuisance, it's just urgent. Change got me a war in my mind. Let it go away, can keep what's holding me. Choose the right, but it will pick up in front of me. All the while, I wait my all my feelings now. Still wanna try, still believe in good days. Always inside, good days in my mind. Hold me on my fears, my damn patience, I disappear if you let me. Jericho, feeling like Joe when he loves this shit. Got on my own, my cross to get alone now. Five in the morning, I wake up to 5 for my journey. The fear in my mind is a warning. Running to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day, trying to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind.
Hey guys, so today is actually January 1st So happy New Year to you guys. I know I haven't like come and talked on the vlog for a really long time, but basically yesterday well, you guys saw me on the 30th doing the vision boards, and then yesterday on the 31st I just spent it with my family basically and brought in the new year at church, and it was really nice. We were supposed to also go meet our cousins afterwards just because they are celebrating their engagement, but it just didn't happen, which is fine. And basically today it was a really chill day, and I really enjoyed mini golf, and the food was bomb, and I really enjoyed Aquaman. Like, that movie was really good. Yeah, like I just like Aquaman. The first one, I really loved it too. So it was really good. But basically, yeah, I just wanted to come on here and talk a little bit because I didn't really talk for the past few days. But yeah, good night, and I'll see you guys in a few days. Hey guys, so today is January 7th, it is Sunday, and basically I wanted to come back and finish off the vlog by doing a New Year's reset. I didn't get to do it before New Year's, basically before the New Year, and I really never get to do it before the New Year because those days, like during the holidays, is just like so hectic, so I never really get to do it before. I always usually do it after, which is fine with me. Like, there's no problem with that either. And we're still in the first week of the new year, so it doesn't matter. But yeah, basically it's Sunday and I'm about to do a bit of like a reset. Just, you know, to like start off the new year on a good, fresh start, on a good foot. So basically I'm gonna start off by cleaning off my room. On the agenda, basically, I'm gonna start by cleaning off my room. Mostly this desk right here, because this is my desk where I do like all my work and everything, and during the holidays, like I was getting ready and all that, and I didn't get to like fully put everything away, so I'm gonna do that first. Then after that, I'm going to go ahead and do a bit of like skincare. I want to get back into doing skincare because I kind of fell off, so I'm gonna do that. And then I'm also going to be obviously planning for the upcoming week and for the month in general. Like, I'll plan content and just everything, just planning my days so it's easier. So yeah, let's get into first cleaning off this desk, and then we'll get into the next thing right after that.
Normally I'm quick to switch up my playlist. I might unpack my bag and don't say shit. Hoping it won't be like that. Hoping that you'll make a change so that I can stay sober when it ain't working out. 'Cause I don't want nobody else but you. And I used to be.
So guys, basically, as you guys saw, I finished cleaning up my room a little bit. I did my skincare. My skin is like looking really nice and it's feeling so soft. and I just finished planning for this month and this week. And yeah, that's basically all I did for my reset. But this is also the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, definitely give it a thumbs up. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.